tried to do this no longer than 30 to 60 seconds. It's March 18th, 2021, nearing completion on this Sightseeing with Dignity, Tolerance, Education, Human Rights Art Series artwork. The allegorical gun rights, terrorism, mass shooting attack, sea monster on the left. The victim of a mass shooting terrorist attack, a library employee, 61 years of age. Various rubber stamps from Seattle Public Library that were being thrown out, given to me by other staffers from departments where I used to work. Both departments no longer exist. Circulation, now called Farmer Services, in the old Art and Music Department. A book pocket card from a record, 33 RPM record from the Queensborough Public Library. I bought the record when I was visiting the Queens Village branch where my mother was working. She was a librarian. Info about how long the item can be checked out for, late fines, and so on. I bought a record from a sale table that had discarded items. An old Seattle Public Library due date card. This is prior from the era when patrons did their own checkout, due November 8, 1983. All right, there you have it. Well, a little bit longer, but I'm under 2 minutes, so there we go.